We are the Goodwill students for peace at Oliver Street School. We were working very hard to bring peace to the world. Here's what we're doing.
The Goodwill Students for Peace program is an educational character building program of the Legion of Goodwill that enhances students' learning performance while giving them the opportunity to experience solidary leadership through service learning activities. And in 2018, the Legion of Goodwill partnered with Oliver Street School and brought this program to more than 350 students, grades kindergarten, first, and second.
Yeah, I think it's super important to be partnered with an organization that brings in a piece like this where students are able to embrace not only their own cultures, but also learn about other students' cultures and what they are in similarity and in their differences.
This semester, the program's main theme, Sport is Life, Not Violence, United, we score goals for peace. The students learned about each other's cultural diversity, seeing and understanding the beauty that all cultures have to offer.
Get your passports ready, buckle up, we're taking a trip around the world.
I have been doing the Goodwill Students for Peace now for the past 2 years, and it has been an amazing program and introduction to the students here at Oliver Street School. As a bilingual teacher and a person that was born in Portugal, I feel that the program has had many benefits for our students here at Oliver Street School. The students have been exposed to so much diversity and the culture from all over the world, not just Portugal. Even though our classroom focused on learning about Portugal, the children got a chance to visit other countries and be exposed to the diversity, the culture, the dynamics, all of the food, and feeling that everyone is welcomed in our country and how different we all are. And it's amazing to learn and see the children growing so much in the past 2 years that they have been exposed to this program.
So guys, what did you learn about the USA?
The flag is red, white, and blue, and it has 50 stars for the 50 states, and it has 13 stripes for the 13th colony.
And they were actually able to point out, where their family were from, the different continents, with the little Post-its. And I thought, the lesson really came alive. They were able to actually see, the world, to see the actual, geography part of it. It was really fun for them.
Being from a different country is beautiful.
Research has proven that schools that are more culturally in tune to different diverse backgrounds actually help students to become sensitive and aware of many different cultures, which I think is a beautiful thing. So I think just by giving our students that opportunity at such a young age, we're actually giving them an advantage among their peers, when they enter the much larger high schools.
Natalie, you're learning about different cultures with the Goodwill Students for Peace program, and we see your passport, right? Why is it important to learn about different cultures?
So everybody knows they're unique and different in their own way. We are unique, we're all the same.
Because we belong to the same
Earth. I learned that you can be different or the same as someone, and it doesn't matter if you're the same or different.
The capital of France is Paris. The euro is
So France was a country that we chose. So they were very interested in learning more about it. They had read Madeline books and knew about the Eiffel Tower, but didn't know much about the culture. So we decided to do some research online. We found a lot of the different monuments and the different famous people that came from France. And it was amazing because we had a lot of feedback from the students, from K to 2, and from the parents. I had one parent even do some research on Louis Braille, and the student and the mom actually created this little Braille project for to send in, and for our students to learn more about that. We had learned about Braille as well in our literacy program, so they were extremely interested in the entire process.
So the friendly soccer game, I was able to participate and watch the students work together as a team and how they supported their country that they were representing. And I thought that was really great, since we are the melting pot here in the Ironbound, and to give them that exposure to different cultures and to the sport in itself, I thought was really wonderful.
Extremely fun for the students. They loved participating in it. The staff members loved participating in it. In visiting the classrooms and watching the game, they were all just smiles. And again, it was great to see the different flags and the different cultures and the different foods represented, and having them rotate through and learn about all these different cultures was really, really fulfilling.
Well, I think the beauty is by collaborating with such wonderful organizations such as the Legion of Goodwill, it only gives our students that much more information, and also they also provide great programming to allow our students to fully understand, diversity.
Thank you very much, Legion of Goodwill. You certainly do a great job in bringing the idea of culture and tolerance for others into the school, and that's an absolute must. Thank you.
And is it important for us to be friends even though we're from different cultures?
Yes,
Why?
because you can learn from your friends from different cultures, and then you'll learn.
What would happen if all the countries united together?
And then all of the countries would have peace.